Hi students, so as you are aware that II has released its latest announcement where they have updated their pass mark rule. So the new pass mark rule for II exams says which is applicable for February 2025 and onward session. So for CB1 and CB2, in case you want to pass, you need to score at least 65 marks. So that is clear. Earlier it used to be 50% for all the subjects, but now for CB1 and CB2 they have raised it to 65. Now for CS1, CS2, CM1, CM2, basically how they have revised the rule is that earlier there was no individual criteria to pass in any of the exam. Your aggregate of both paper A and paper B has to be greater than or equal to 50, and the weightage used for aggregate of paper A and paper B is 70-30. Now the weightage remains same, that is 70-30. They will be aggregating only, but with the minimum condition that you need to score 30% in each of the exam. So 30% in A, 30% in paper B, and when they are adding the combined marks in the weightage of 70-30, that is 70% of marks that you get in paper A plus 30% of marks that you get in paper B has to be greater than or equal to 50, and the second condition has to be fulfilled, that it should be at least 30% in both paper A and paper B. For CP1 and CP2 also they have revised in this manner that for individual papers and paper B you need to score 30%, and when you are aggregating the score over both the papers it has to be greater than or equal to 50. So the same rule is applicable basically for CP1, CP2, for CS, CM, but for CP3 basically SP and SA, the pass mark rule remains same as before, that is you need to score 50%. So although they have changed it and it has become a bit difficult, especially for CB1 and CB2 students from 50 to score to 65. So we would request every one of you to make yourself updated about the new rule. In case you have any doubts about how your marks will be calculated, the team is available for all your help. So do reach out to the team for the help in case required. And yes, do study and make sure that you are reaching to the pass score. Thank you.